There she goes. Yeah, queen, queen. So this video, I thought I would share a little bit of how what I do all day. I have no plans. Well, I mean, I have certain things that I have to do, and then I can see what I need to do throughout the day. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have a few things that I have to do, but it's raining. But my morning basically starts out with animals, dog snuggles, feeding the rabbits, and then I come out here and sit with them while I grind my coffee, because I started letting them out of the cage. Well, it's been like for a while now, and I realized if I let them out here on the balcony, they just run around. We sit here till I'm done, like 20-30 minutes, a few times a day, like 2 or 3 times a day. They get their morning breakfast, I sit and do my coffee. So yeah, and it's raining. It's a little bit rainy and cold, you can see. And it's very early, it's like 6:30. We have had someone helping us to fix a few things around the house, so we've been getting up early, and now the rabbits and the dogs have a new schedule. They think, I hear them out here at like 6, they start running around their cage looking for their food, so yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna sit here. So we're just gonna sit here for a little bit and watch the rabbits, and I'm gonna grab my coffee. This is like a normal, well, every day now. And then I come out here again and sit and drink the coffee with them, because I like them. I like when they're out. They're so cute. The one is mean. Queenie likes when I feed her to attack my hands when I give her food. And Lolita, the fatter, fluffier one, is so sweet. She's like my favorite. You ready to come out to play, girls? After your breakfast. I know, after you finish your food. Hey, Queenie, you gonna be nice today? Lolita's always nice. Lolita's always nice, yeah. Queenie, you're really awesome. Yeah. There we go. Here we go. Come on, girls. Yeah. Queen. Good morning. Good morning. Me? I'm just blessing you. I know, your table next to me. I gotta get you some chocolate. I try not to really pick them up. I pet them, but they don't like it. They get anxious when I pick them up, so I only pick them up if I have to put them back in their cage, which I'm gonna go make my coffee, so I don't leave them out alone either. Okay, girls, I got you some food. Oh, hola, ¿quieres más comida? ¿Sí? Mira, esta es mía. Uh-huh. Muy bien. Okay. They're used to me coming out here twice, so the second time around they come out faster. After you've had your breakfast. After you've had your breakfast, right, Lolita? Look how fluffy she is. Look how fluffy she is. She's so sweet. Good girl. Come here, girls. So now we just chill and drink our coffee and let them hang out. After you've eaten, you're a little more friendly, huh, Queen Queen? You're a little more friendly, but not much. Yeah? Oh, there she goes. That's it. I love because they just come out and they hop and they jump and they stomp their foot. Whatever they pound with their... Yeah, you pound with your... Oh, sorry, girl. What you doing back there? Huh? Yeah. And it's still raining. I know, you girls are the cutest. And they usually come up to me when I'm sitting here like this. What is that thing? Huh? Oh, there they go. And then after we do the bunnies and the rain stops, I take the dogs on the walk. That's what they're waiting for their walk. And he would love to get in here. My little predator. Oh, but it's so beautiful when it rains in the mornings. So the dogs are going crazy because we buy eggs from our neighbor and it's raining and she's here. I think. Button. Yeah, so every Thursday we buy eggs. She just lives down the street. So yeah, this is craziness. But we didn't pay her last week, so Rafa's gonna pay her for 2 weeks because she had someone else bring them and then she didn't come back by for the money. Anyways, yeah, so we buy. So she just brings us our eggs. Look, Nixie. No, Nixie, no más. Sí, tú puedes comer. Listo. Sí. Sí. ¿Sí estás bien? Okay, it's still kind of raining, so the dogs didn't get their walk today. But look, they don't really need it. It's just kind of become a habit because they are running around like crazy this morning. Normally we eat together, but since Papa's gonna go to town because it stopped raining, so he's trying to go as soon as possible. Oh, we're eating separately. Just arepa, avocado, and huevos. Eggs, avocado, and arepa. The eggs are from our neighbor, so they're fresh, very fresh. Okay, we don't have hot water in the tap, so I heat up water there and then I do the dishes. And living in a small kitchen, it's a bit tricky, but it works. Okay, it is only 9 a.m. and it is still raining. Normally it's like almost done by now, so maybe by 10 it'll be done. But yeah, like the morning was a bit off because the dogs didn't get their walk because it's still raining and it's just wet and gross. And if you live like on a farm or on a homestead or in the country, you know, it's always dirty. It's just always dirty. The dogs are wet and gross and dirty. I have so much work to do, normally outside, but I'm gonna wait till it dries. So now, I don't know, I have a video to edit that I'm debating if I want to post or not, so I'm gonna do that. The guy's still building he's building a fence. He's fixing our fence, so he's collecting some guadua down the hill. And yeah, he's still working in the rain. It's not super rainy, it's just enough to be like gross. If you're wondering what all this is, wood for the fire. We put it here so it doesn't get wet, obviously. And because I need to bake bread today. I made bread yesterday. So yeah, we need, it's like a mess. It's a mess. I need to clean. But if it's just raining gross, no. But look, I got a new geranium. So my gardenias are flowering. And it is raining over there somewhere. And I don't know where the dogs are. Probably. No, creo que todo el día, mira, en este lado es negro. Es siempre lluvia. The sun finally came out. It's like 10:30 maybe. And they are, girls are happy. Happy. It finally got sunny out, and as soon as it's sunny, everything dries up super fast. So I edited for like an hour. I'm not really good at sitting inside when it's sunny, so I have to sand and varnish this because we're gonna put this here to make like a little table working area above the near the stove to put stuff on. So that's why all the wood is here, not here. So yeah, I'm gonna sand this. It's like 11. It's like 11. And I usually start making lunch at 12 because, in case you don't know, we cook here in Colombia. It's common. Everyone, you cook your meals. You cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast is like what you saw, arepa with eggs. And then lunch is bigger. We're gonna have like pork. We're gonna have like pork or something. I don't know yet, but something like that. And then dinner is kind of like, I don't know. Either I make something or Rafa makes something or we make something ourselves. But it's always something made. So yeah, like we don't really eat fast food. We don't really eat out a lot. We might have like takeout once a month. We don't really eat in town a lot. But even if we do, the food is cooked. They cook it fresh in the restaurants. It's different. Anyways, I need to do this. So we're going to do this. I'm listening to, I always, if you're wondering, I'm listening to the YouTube video or I'm listening to a book. So, yeah. I'm going to use the same sanding from before.
Hey, and she's not my girlfriend.
Atrás de un mono, ¿no? Ponga baldes porque no le mueve.
Sí, estoy pensando esto. Okay, so I varnished this table. It looks good. We're just gonna put this table, it has to dry. We're gonna put it right there on top of that little wall. Okay, but Rafa went to the grocery store on Thursdays. He always goes into town and buys groceries, so I'm gonna unpack and reorganize the kitchen. Here's Wendolo. So it is like 1:30-ish. We just finished lunch, so I cleaned the kitchen. So basically, when I'm finished breakfast, by the time I'm cleaning the kitchen, I have to think about what to make for lunch. So anyways, we finished lunch, kitchen's clean. I think I'm gonna, well today what I think, I need to bake bread because I ran out. So yesterday I made bread. So basically I just need to turn on the oven, well, start the oven with all this wood and bake some bread. I might make some banana bread too. So yeah, I need to cook the bread, bake the bread, bake the bread I made yesterday. I made sourdough bread. I usually make it once a week. It lasts for a week. Maybe I'll make some banana bread because I have a ton of bananas. Because I can't really do too much outside today because it's still a little chilly. It gets hot and then chills. The sun goes away and it gets a little cooler. And it's just wet. It's still wet. It kind of rained a little bit more off and on. So yeah, hopefully my clothes dry. I've been trying to dry my laundry for like 3 days. And I might take the dogs to the river, but I can just get this oven started. So we're going to do that. And I think that's it. I don't know what else I'm going to do. I need to take the compost down, but I might wait till tomorrow. I need to clean the bunny's cage. I might do that tomorrow. I might do a lot of things tomorrow. We'll see.
Time slipping through my fingers. Can't recall all the days as the ocean falls and rises. So does life have to change. Don't buy plastic flowers when I die. Go somewhere, spend it well, live your life. And if you mourn me, don't mourn for too damn long. tell the world she's getting older, and she can't recall her age. As the flowers die in winter, I guess she has just been that way. Don't buy plastic flowers when I die. Go somewhere and spend it well. Live your life. And if you're mourning, don't mourn for too damn long. Don't buy plastic flowers when I'm gone. When I meet you by the graveside, I hope you brought the real kind. Don't buy plastic.
Okay, so today I finished my day off. I made some sourdough bread, which I've already taken a piece, and I made some banana bread with chocolate chips from all the bananas that I have here. And so when I cook in the outdoor oven, I have to sit here with it the whole time because I have to constantly turn it and put wood in. So I just spent the past 2.5 hours doing that. But I'm gonna end the day. It's like 4-ish. Our guy's leaving, who's finished working on the house, and then I'm gonna edit some videos and take a shower. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.